our gift came. And yeah, the first one, Kimberly, say hi.
Hi.
So I'm gonna open it. Let's see what's inside. No, this is my stuff. Wow. So we got a card. Let's open that first. Okay, I get it. Ooh. It's a kitty. Yes, come here. No, that's okay. Let's open it up. Mommy. Mommy, she got me a $20 bill. I got a $20 bill. Thank you. It's a $20 bill.
What do I take? You know that?
That's cute. I love how the cat head like popped out. No, look, Kinsley. It popped out. It's like tails.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Because tails always popped out.
Yeah, he always pops out stuff. Liam and Claire got you something. Look, it's a sword. Liam, look.
Liam, look. That's yours. Making noise.
Are you gonna pop these?
I pop them. Yeah, I love these popping. I pop them.
Okay.
I pop one, Liam.
Color pencils.
You pop one. I pop one. Wait, where is it?
Liam, look, there's more.
Oh, we already popped. I pop one.
Oh, I popped it. Sorry, Liam. So there's pencils. Pencils.
I like one.
This is Mimo's. Mom, this is Mimo's stuff.
I got this one, Mom.
Okay, Kimberly, stop.
Yeah, you did.
This is, I don't know whose. Yeah, I don't. Okay. There's this. What's this? Mama, this is yours.
Okay.
No, you don't need to give it to her right now. Liam, you got some Star Wars stuff. You want me to give that to him? I give that to him.
Liam, look what you got.
Paper. There.
It's like somebody farted.
Paul and Kelly family. Oh, this is heavy. Oh,
Okay, I'll get it.
no, it's heavy. It's too heavy.
No, it's not heavy.
Yeah, it is. This is. Yeah. It's
A big eraser.
no. I think it's Dad or mine. Paul. Yep. Mom, this is Dad's.
Okay.
It's a fine blended whiskey. So much stuff. Wow. This? What's this? This is mine. Yeah, this is mine.
Can I pop that?
Yes.
Yes.
You can have the bubble wrap.
Yay.
Whenever I'm done tearing,
Wow.
when I'm done tearing it up. Karomi from Hello Kitty.
Oh, you got marshmallows. I saw some.
Well, those aren't marshmallows. Stop laying it on this. So we got Karomi barrettes. Oh, it's a magnet from Japan because we went from Japan.
Japan.
A unicorn sticker.
Hot.
Unicorn sticker. These are marshmallows.
Oh, I thought that was marshmallows.
Can't read this.
Wait. Maybe you can play with them because they're two.
No. It might be glass or something. Yeah, it's probably glass. You don't want to break it.
Yeah.
So thank you for this big box
Here.
stuff. Yep, you can play with the box.
Yeah.
Thank you. And
Wait.
bubble wrap. Thank you for all this stuff that you can
Wait, we have to
remember.
get this
Thank
out.
you. Bye.